Good morning, everyone. Myself, Gunjan Shekhawat. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic and express my views on this topic. So, today's topic is unemployment. We all know what unemployment is and how it is affecting ourselves because we all are young generation and we are preparing for various competition exams and we know the competition level. Like for one post, there are thousands of people who are fighting against each other. So unemployment is if we see it by definition is when a person looking for a job and seeking for a job opportunity didn't get the jobs even if he and she have the skills which are required for it. For India, one of the populous state, one of the populous nation in the world. First, it was China, but then we are become the first nation who has the most population in the world. So, with the rising population, the unemployment is rising because there are no jobs creation for the vast majority of people. There are types of unemployment. Like unemployment is not because only because of government. Like government is doesn't creating jobs. So people have this mindset that even if they don't have these skills, like they are graduates, on paper they have qualification, they have degrees, but they don't have the skills. Companies require skills because they want innovative students who can contribute to their company and take this company to next levels. So they require creative minds and but the education system doesn't produce creative students. Like our education system, it is like memorization, read a lot of facts, then vomit out it to the examination and then pass and get degrees. But these degrees doesn't work when they goes to ground level. Like they need to develop some communication skills, like speaking skill, writing skills, and they have to explore their mind, they have to widen their perspectives about different things. So unemployment, if we talk about in the economics term, there is disguise in employment. Like in the agricultural field, where one person is required, there are 4 persons working on that field. These 3 persons, they are extra, they don't need to do that work because they don't get the same amount which the one person gets. So unemployment, another kind of unemployment is that seasonal unemployment. Like there are a lot of farmers which works on others lands, so when there is not the season of that crop, they are unemployed for some times and they didn't get paid for that. If we want to tackle this problem, the government is also already taking a lot of initiative, like Mahatma Gandhi Manrega, which provides unemployment for 100 days, and there are Nehru Yojana, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Skill India, which creates skills which are required for the development of country, which train youth about different things. But on the ground level, people also wants to develop, they need to do efforts to learn new skills. Like in my if I want to take example of my village, there is company, Shri Cement company, and my village's youth wants to get a job into that company, but the company says that when we took interviews of that students, they are graduates, they are BSc, BSc, BA, MA past students. But we ask simple question, just simple question, that what you have read in your college days, just tell me the names of that books. The students, they are not even able to tell the names of that books. So the company says, how we will hire those students? And they want to do permanent jobs there, they don't just want to do the hard work and labor works, because that is what their qualification is. They don't have the knowledge, the practical skills which are needed for company. They just want jobs that, like we sit in cabin and do computer work, and they even don't know how to operate a computer. So it is the lack of education system, and the people also that are not focusing on skills, they are focusing on just knowledge, and some people are also just not also focusing on knowledge. And the population, I think the population is the most important and the most factor which contribute to unemployment, because we as a country are growing, we are the resources are limited, the land is limited, and with the immigrations, like a lot of nations have immigration policies which even makes it worse. Like people wants to move from this country to another countries like USA, Canada, but there people also says that we don't want Indians here because they are getting our jobs. But where we go? Like we don't have employment in our country. When we go to another country, the immigration laws are also the problem. So the unemployment is making a big fuss. Like this is true for ourselves also. Like we are preparing for a lot of competitions, JEE, NEET, UPSC student. How many students give UPSC exam, NEET exam, JEE exam? The seats are limited, the medical colleges are limited, but the students, where they go? Like coachings are full of students. Quota is become a quota factory. Sikar is now also becoming a factory, education factory. They are producing just a products, but there is no jobs. The students there are talented, they can do in other fields well, but they are just focusing on some mechanism like we get degree, we go to college, but not that engineers get jobs. You all are aware that engineers are unemployed too. They have degree, they are graduated from IITs, they are graduated from AIMS, but after giving NEET PG, they also don't get seats because seats are limited. There are 40 seats, there are 50 seats, and students don't get jobs. And in our Rajasthan, the scenarios is same. Jobs are limited, peoples are more. So the solution for this is like we have to fund the local bodies, we have to promote startups, like we have to promote students to learn new skills, then develop their startups, and government needs to fund those startups. And another thing I remembered, like blue collar jobs. You all are aware of blue collar jobs. Like blue collar jobs are like plumbing, etc. Plumbing hota hai like plumbing. So in other countries like America and Canada, these blue collar jobs are treated with respect. But in India, you have to get government job, even if you are clerk. Government job is necessary, otherwise you will not get married if you are a boy, and if you are a girl, okay, you will be get married, but government job is treated with higher respect. Even if the private jobs, a person getting 50,000 per month is not treated with the same respect as government employee does. So we have to change the mindset of people. Thank you.